podcast contains strong
Whether it's
language
morning,
which
noon,
may
or
be
night,
offensive
the
to
Learn,
some.
Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, as you listen to this, why not head over to ldlcall.com to book your free 30-minute call dedicated to you. Let's speak soon about how we can work together and take your life on a higher level. But first, here is today's quote. When you refuse to settle for less than the best tends to track you down. Setting your standards to a high level is key to try and continually get the best out of yourself and your own unique ability. Not settling for second best is a sign of your true respect to not only yourself, but that ability you do have. When you continually demand the best of yourself, the strongest outcomes and results will follow to reflect the time and the commitment you put towards your own goals. Your successes will show the hard work that you've been putting in.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.